Hello everybody. Today we're doing Grassi Lakes. It's a well-known hike near Canmore, Alberta. It was named after Lawrence Grassi, who's an Italian immigrant who came here around 1912, worked on the railway, and then started working in the mines up here, and then eventually became a rock climbing guide. And they've named several mountains and several trails after him. And it is a gem, so we'll show you the way as we go.
Like if Josh actually walked in every day, walk like that, take a walk.
Yeah, it's really nice, super clear.
Take a
photo. So here's one of the lakes. I think this is Lower Grassi Lakes. I think there's another one that's up there, and that's also where the rock climbing is. So here's the Upper Grassi Lakes here. Just a crystal clear pond. Yeah, it's really beautiful. You just want to dive right into this.
Dude!
But as you can see behind me, there's no shortage of people. So as you can see down there, there's Grassi Lakes, the upper lake, and then the lower lake. And this is kind of the top view that kind of overlooks everything. And you can see the reservoir into Canmore and stuff. Very easy hike. Very touristy and popular. And for me, just too well hiked. But today I just decided to do something easy with my friend and just kind of have a relaxing day. Yeah, right in front of me you can see the pictographs, I think, that were made by Aboriginal people in the area like 1,000 years ago. You can kind of see like a little figure right there. It's pretty cool. So that's Grassi Lakes. Pretty simple. Takes about an hour. Not much to it. It's a good little day adventure. Or if you're with somebody that's not a big hiker, it's a good place to take them on. But yeah, other than that, that's it. It's freaking busy.